Hello, this is Kimmy from the Duck Lab, which is one partner in the Child Development Research Center in UNCG's Psychology Department. We're offering a series of online activities to the Greensboro community and beyond, and today we're going to be making these clothespin airplanes. This is a great craft for our older school-age friends, and it's also pretty quick. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, in terms of supplies, there are a few items that you'll need. This is a clothespin airplane, so you'll want a clothespin. You will also need jumbo popsicle sticks, just 2 of those for the front wings of the plane. Standard skinny size popsicle sticks for the tail, the back part of the plane, just 1 of those. If you get lucky, you might find the mini popsicle sticks or mini wooden pieces at a craft store, and those also work great for the back tail piece of the plane. To put your wooden pieces together, you'll want a good strong glue. If you've crafted with the Duck Lab before, you know that we are huge fans of glue dots, and that can be a great option for this craft. Markers are always a good decoration option for decorating your plane. One note about markers is that until the marker dries on the popsicle sticks, your fingers might get a little messy, so just keep that in mind for decorating this craft. Stickers, paint that you're allowed to use, all of these things are great decoration options. We love foam shapes here in the Duck Lab. You can find these, they work like a sticker. You peel off the back and stick them right on your craft. So that is another good option. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with the clothespin airplane. All right, first we will want to take our clothespin, and toward the front where it opens and closes, we're going to glue the 2 jumbo popsicle sticks because those are the wings of the plane. I'll be using glue dots to demonstrate gluing today. Again, just use whatever glue works best for you at home. And you want to apply glue at approximately the center of your jumbo popsicle stick. Right on the center there so that you can line it up on your clothespin, which is the body of your plane. So we'll line that up. It's not too bad. That's almost center. And then just do the same thing with your second jumbo popsicle stick. Apply some glue to your popsicle stick. And you want to try to line this up. This one will go on the bottom of that front end of the clothespin, and you want to line it up with your top wing. So we'll try to line that up. Whoops. Almost. There we go. That's a little bit better. And now you are already halfway there. You have your wings on your plane. So those will move around a little bit until the glue dries, especially while you're decorating. But if you line those up, those will be the wings of your airplane. We are ready for the tail, that back piece of our clothespin airplane. You will use the skinny size, standard size popsicle stick for that. You could leave it this length and again glue it perpendicular to the body of the airplane or parallel to the wings of the airplane. If you have those mini popsicle sticks or wooden pieces, that will also be your tailpiece. If you want a tailpiece that's smaller but you only have these popsicle sticks, you could snap it in half and use the small piece. You'll use your same glue as before. Again, trying to center that glue onto your tail popsicle stick so that you can center it nicely on the body of the airplane. So my glue is applied. I'm going to stick that right onto this back part. This is normally where you would be putting your fingers to open and close the clothespin, and that's where we're going to put the tail. Decorate as desired. We have those markers. I might make stripes on this one. And just remember, if you're using markers today, that until the marker dries on the popsicle stick pieces, it might be a little bit wet. It might come off on your fingers a little bit. So tiny bit of mess included in this craft, but nothing too wild. I'm just drawing some stripes on my clothespin airplane. Again, you can use paint, you can just use stickers. You might notice that some of the popsicle stick pieces move around on the clothespin while you're decorating. Again, until your glue is dry, or even if you're using glue dots, you just want to keep an eye out on that and maybe set those pieces with the glue when you are all finished with decorating. And so I'm also going to use, I think, some of my foam shapes today. I like these a lot. So again, stickers, anything as an add-on that you want to put onto your clothespin airplane works just fine. I'll use these on the body of the plane. This is pretty quick, which is nice, but you might be able to have some cool conversations with your friends or folks at home about aerodynamics or airplanes or air travel. So a little bit of beginner's engineering perhaps involved in the clothespin airplane. All right, I'm happy with that in terms of decoration, but folks at home, you're welcome to add more, and then you are all set. You have a clothespin airplane. Thanks so much for making this clothespin airplane with me today. Stay tuned for more activities from the Duck Lab and our partners in the future. Hey parents, did you know that we're still conducting our virtual research activities as well? If your family is interested in online research activities with the Duck Lab and our partners, please click on the link with this video to sign up or to learn more about those research opportunities.